Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. It's a Sunday today. Tomorrow is Amish birthday, so we're going to get a cake for him and stuff. We'll be doing a photo shoot. As you can see, family, Miss Jam Tours take over the car already. So she wants to continue learn to drive, family. So this is driving lesson 104, 105, 106. So she wants to learn how to drive now. So let's see.
So I drive. Alright. I'm trying to. What did I remember? Oh, I'll tell you. Off the grid, right?
Yeah.
My leg should always be on the back, right? Let me squeeze this chair.
With the two lungs, with the two.
No. I want to push it further at the front, like that. Guess I'm.
You turn the key now. You're looking for ready.
Probably I'll wait for this lorry to go now.
Guys, that lorry not coming now. This is the lorry she afraid of people. That's the lorry right there.
Let this lorry move now.
Okay. Yeah, family, Miss Jam Tour is afraid of this lorry. She's afraid of it. Put it up. Yeah. Yeah.
I'd rather follow it closely.
Jam Tour is afraid of the lorry.
I am. Imagine this big thing behind me, and then it goes within for me. I don't think I can bear that. I don't think I would have even reached at the corner.
What would you do?
I think I would have gone down for it to pass. It's taking garbage. It's a garbage thing.
Yeah. Seems like it's gonna stay there for a while. Garbage truck.
Wait, I thought it's a truck that had come to collect the...
Just the sticks and stuff.
Oh, they're the sticks that are normally there in the corner, right?
Yeah. Won't even taking up this.
I wish I went. I didn't know it's stopping.
There were some sticks there to take out that.
Actually, I thought it's just taking the thing. I should have gone if it wasn't stopping.
Yeah,
so anyway, we are going to Cake City.
We're going to Cake City?
Hamish cake.
Yeah, we're going to Cake City.
To grab Hamish cake. Tomorrow is I can't believe it's a year.
Yeah, it's come so fast.
Last year at a time like this, I was still okay, right? Until 3 a.m. in the morning. Everything was perfect and normal. I had walked for quite some distance, right? I was very active at that time. Not like now.
You're not active now?
I am. I'm really trying. Although it's not as like last year. And then we slept well until heartburn woke me up. And that was the first time I ever received heartburn. And I'm coming to give birth. And then 3 a.m. boom. We ran to the hospital.
Just a gun and see.
I hope they don't go to stop them.
Alright, so Miss Jam Tour says she's ready now, guys. The panic attack gone. I guess you have the feeling you can drive by yourself. Even if I was in the car, you could drive, don't you?
Huh?
If I was in the car, you could drive. After that experience I get yesterday. Both go and come.
Crazy.
Yeah, family, this is driving lesson 106. Basic driving lesson for Miss Jam Tours.
I never got time. Okay, look at that floor. Or
What is
should
it doing?
let it go down. So let me close.
Yeah, but see the way when you go down, still have to go slow catch up.
No problem.
You're driving fast. That's staggering like nervous and stuff. Okay. I guess you catch the hang of it very soon, very quick.
What am I even doing?
What do you mean?
Oh, I was trying to put the wheels to
Go on.
position.
Yeah.
And drive before it comes.
So, Miss Jam Tours. Okay. I'm not even looking. Miss Jam Tours, guys. Miss Jam Tours. Oh, you're driving fast.
I can't believe I'm
Yeah, what, 20 kilometer. Miss Jam Tours going 20 kilometer. I feel like I got too fast.
What am I scared? Can't you see I'm speeding here, but I know where to like take my leg off, and then here I know I'm not stepping on gas. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See,
Like I've mastered what you do,
Mhm.
so I'm following your steps.
Alright, since you're mastering what I do, turn in that lane.
I go there.
Yeah. See that?
Okay, I don't know.
When you
That
turn, you put the
indicator.
indicator, this
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
so it should like this.
I put it down.
Yeah, so you're going that way, so it should be that way. The indicator should be that way. Alright, so go on now. You just stop and wait for this to pass. And
So
then-
you can see me indicating at the front.
yeah, you can see, yeah, you can see. Yeah. Yeah, I have a challenge for Miss Jam Tours. She was boasting because it's straight road, so that's why she boasting. So I tell her to turn down in the one of these lanes.
Didn't I turn?
Yeah,
I didn't ask for your help.
you
Okay.
need some help.
No. Only ask for your help for the. Let's try this thing.
Seat belt, nice. I can just put it inside like this. Yes.
Let me help you, my husband.
Ready, steady, go. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours turned down in one of the lanes. In this community, we have many lanes. We have apartments and we have standalones. So these are the standalones house. You get a little backyard space, and then we have, it's like a townhouse system sort of like. Doing what they do. See the brakes.
No, it's this car. You know, I don't know where it's going.
I was wondering why you're so panicky.
Because
Because there's a car behind. Yeah, it's going there.
Where should I go now?
I go straight down and turn and
go
come
down,
back.
down.
Yeah, then turn and come back up.
I'm panicking because of that.
Guy.
And then I didn't know where it was going, so I don't want to turn. Jesus, sorry. Didn't see that. I'm forgetting I'm on a slow.
I see it's gonna turn there.
Yeah.
Gonna turn right there.
Oh, but this road is slim. Two cars can fit here, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm sure, of course. It's not the same road. So you're gonna turn,
I go left, right?
turn right and reverse back.
I go this way down.
No, so you go right to the gate. Go to the gate and then reverse back. This gate, yeah. So Miss Jamtor is making a turn right now. Up there, up there, up there.
Faster? Like that?
Yes, yeah, straighten up now. Straighten up. Straighten up. Straighten up.
Still.
Yeah, you can
Press
reverse,
left.
reverse.
Yeah.
Look in reverse. Yeah, go back now, yeah.
Okay, so now we
Yeah, go back.
So what of the wheel? It's fine.
Yeah, it should be at this way.
So that it can.
Yeah, let's take off of the brakes little. This is the second time reversing. You can use the mirror to match it, right?
Ah.
You use the mirror to look where you're going.
Okay.
So now you see that you need to go over more to this side.
I keep going.
Yeah, and then you take it out. Yeah, go on. Go on.
You know, I'm just dancing with it.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, I'd rather look back.
Guys, it's not good to look back. But this is nothing big. You don't want to reach it. It's gonna wind up now.
But I'm fine.
Yeah. Put it in drive. Guys, see it. Go back a little bit. You take it too late. Go back, go back. Go back, go back. There's a lot of space, man. Go back. Go back, sweetie. Go back. Alright. Go on now. And what you should do is turn the wheel.
I
Turn the wheel before
I start driving.
before you start driving. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. There you go on now. Little. Yeah. Yeah, take it out.
I take it out.
No, not take it out yet. You don't turn it, yeah. You take it out now. Yeah, I'm going now. Going straight.
That is the place that is. I guess maybe when I go for driving school, that's.
You learn all of this mirror thing and reversing and stuff. But once you have a little idea, it's easier for you.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to go and look like a.
Like
I guess once you have a car, it's easy for you to learn to drive. Yeah?
I did not sat on the steering.
You never sit on a steering before. Yeah, family, so Miss Jamtor is doing good. She's gonna drive up to the gate for the second time. This is her second time driving up to the gate.
Even out there, I don't know what one to do.
So you turn on the indicator. This is a car coming right in.
Miss Jamtras is panicking.
So you turn on the indicator. Which way are you going?
His waist.
Which way is that way? Which way is that way? It's right. So turn on the indicator right.
This one.
Yeah, so down for right and up for left.
I'm in the between.
Yeah.
But I hope there's no car coming.
You're gonna look to see if cars coming. I think there is no car. There's no car coming, but you can. That's far. Go on. Unmute yourself now and go on. You get nervous how I
I'm not start. I'm on gas.
Guy, sweetie.
Let me breathe in and out.
Guy. Why?
I don't know. I guess. Go on. Motorbike. You're waiting for me.
Yeah, let's cruise to the front.
I'm about to take hard. But I'm not facing the gas. I'm not sure.
No, you don't need to.
Okay, no, this one. So I'll stop at them.
Most of it is gone. I'll take it from mine. I need to blow them to gone.
You think they can get out on the road?
So just go on the other side and just go for the
Just
cherry
mind my
tree.
own business.
Just go on that side. Because nothing not coming. You just go on the other side.
One day people won't get out of the road, even if it's written give children away. And then a mad person will be driving.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Toes actually reached the gate. This boy is coming from church. Jam Toes reached the gate and she going out.
And what did I do? Guy, people are indicating again. Why should I be
No, you don't need to indicate.
No, I mean, where are they open?
Let's go on to this one right there.
Right?
Yeah, you pass. Pass the worst. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours make it out of the gate.
Now make this one pass me.
Jam Tours make it out of the gate, and now she's actually heading to the front.
Outside.
So yeah, family, let us know your thoughts, and Miss Jam Tours is doing good. And this is the end of this vlog, driving vlog 106 for Miss Jam Tours. You know what I mean? Each time I'm going out on the road, I'll just make sure drive to the front just to get our practice. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. One love, God bless, Jamaica.
Bye.